This is Rebecca Schothstall, DTI Academy Manager at Digital Thinker. In this video, I will highlight the importance of identifying and documenting work order types and priority codes. First, work order types and priority codes are set up as system codes in Hexagon EAM. The entity for work order types is JBTP, whereas the entity for priority codes is JBPR. Let's review work order types. Not only is it important to identify various work order types, but it is advantageous to document use cases for each type. On my screen, I am showing a list of open work orders. You will notice the work orders at the top of my list have different types. So the first is predictive. Predictive maintenance work orders are activities based on data analysis and monitoring to predict and prevent equipment failure. Next, I have a breakdown work order. Typically, these are urgent maintenance activities aimed at restoring equipment to operational status as quickly as possible. Then I have a preventive maintenance work order. These are scheduled maintenance activities aimed at preventing equipment failure or degradation. Corrective maintenance work orders are unplanned activities aimed at fixing equipment that has failed or is not functioning properly. I have a checklist follow-up resulting from a preventive maintenance work order checklist, and even an inspection work order. These are activities aimed at verifying the condition of equipment and identifying any potential issues. Some additional work order types could include emergency maintenance work orders, calibration, project, or even safety. By categorizing work orders, your organization can assign the most suitable personnel and materials for the job. This ensures tasks are completed efficiently and minimize downtime. Tracking work order types also allows for analysis of maintenance trends. This data can be used to optimize maintenance schedules, prioritize asset replacements, and identify areas for cost reduction. For instance, if a particular piece of equipment has frequent breakdowns, it might be wise to invest in a replacement. It is important to document and distribute use cases for each work order type. Otherwise, your work orders will look like my list here, where most of the work orders are listed as breakdown, which is the system default. Certain industries have regulations regarding maintenance procedures and documentation. Tracking work order types helps to maintain a complete and accurate record of maintenance activities for auditing purposes. One thing to consider is how to manage work order types. One example is you could set the default value to null. This would force users to select from a list rather than changing the default. Or you could consider activating work order type authorizations, and this can be managed per user group. Now, on a final note, the importance of work order priorities can be applied to setting priorities in general. It is easy to become overwhelmed by the sheer volume of tasks and responsibilities we face daily. The same is true for a technician logging into an EAM mobile app and viewing a list of work orders assigned to them. Assigning a priority code for each work order aids in time management and focus. This can improve plant reliability and maintenance efficiency. So thank you for watching this video on work order types and priorities. If you found this useful, remember to subscribe to be notified when new content is published.